broskies, it is your boy Moy. Today I am in Cary, North Carolina for a BCT car meet. It started at 8:30. It's 9 o'clock right now. There's some cool cars out here. What's up, Chicho?
Yeah, right.
What's up, Thea?
Hey, bud.
Hey, Thea. How are you?
How
What's
are you?
I actually came here to make a film. I knew the garage was gonna have cool lighting. I'm just hoping that we can get some cars a level down because there's not much light up here. I'm actually gonna take a walk to see if I see any cool cars because I really wanna make like a dope edit, but we're just gonna see if there's any cool cars up here. Hell yeah, we're on the top level right now. Hoping we can find something cool to film. The lighting out here isn't the best. The lower level has really dope lighting. I feel like I've seen this car before too. Probably gonna go see what's up with George and Chucho.
Hey, what we got going on? We got a good meet going on. No shoutouts tonight. We're doing good.
That's some of the Honda gang members. Honda gang. Big Wang gang. Oh, that's pretty cool. Check that out. Nice and stands out. With the wheels. That's pretty cool. Probably gonna walk back down and see what's up. But I'm gonna go look for Chucho and George right now, see what's up with them. Big Wang gang. Oh, what's up, bro? What's up? How's it going? Good. How about yourself?
Yeah, good. Goddamn.
Where's the Miata at?
I bring the IS this time.
The IS?
Yeah.
What do you mean? What is an IS?
IS 300.
Oh, a Lexus?
Yeah.
What's up? BCT host right here. What's up?
That's good.
I pulled up like right on time. I was right behind you.
Yeah, I saw you when you were pulling up by the park. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, that shit's sick.
Yeah, you caught up.
Yo, what's up, Augustine? What's up, bro?
You want a dig race? I only was traction. They're all coming up here.
Alright, well, definitely more people pulling up now. I want to see if we can fill up the lower level because I'm not really fucking with the lighting up here, but we'll see what's up. Oh, he on bags? If I can get some good lighting with that car, I'm gonna get a fucking crazy ass shot. We're gonna go down real quick, see if any if it's getting filled up or not. People checking out Chucho's car over here. Shout out to Chucho and his Stan Stephanie breaking necks forever and always. There goes the toaster. Y'all say what's up to the toaster. That's the lighting I'm talking about though. I want cars to pull up here. I want this lighting. I know y'all can hear that shit too. That's a nice ass turquoise color over here. Get my gimbal set up. I really want to get some cool shots down here and up there. So we're gonna walk back to the car and get our gimbal ready. So let's get to it. Check this out. You already say what's up to you, right? What's up,
Whatever.
Eric? Eric's whip is right here. You already seen Eric's whip. That shit's crazy. Fucking angle on that shit.
You think this sexy?
Oh, what's up, George? Hopefully it ain't too much trouble. I'm really trying to get these cool shots. Yeah, we finna set up this 50 mil with the T79 we got going on. We got the Ronin. I don't even know what the fuck this shit called, but. So everything should be calibrated on this thing already. I've used the 50 mil. Yeah, we getting kicked out. We getting kicked out.
People have to stop. It's noise in the back.
I'm about to go back. I really want to know who the fuck was doing all that popping and shit. I saw a couple things that I really want to capture, and I think I'm gonna start with this slammed Honda on bags. It's just gonna be kind of hard to get this lighting correctly. Might have to do it from the other side. Hell yeah, this is it. Alright guys, we got our first little shot of the day with that blue Honda. I think I'm gonna get these tires over here. And there goes the police.
Yeah, cause that fucking VQ. Whoever was two-stepping.
Yeah, that shit was gnarly.
Yo, did y'all hear that fucking Beamer revving and shit?
That's
The
what it
police
was?
got him.
For real?
Yeah, he was going down, and that cop right there stopped him, pulled him over. Yeah.
Wait, that was
This cop right here. It was a Beamer
the white
going
Beamer
down.
that came out?
No, it was like a gray Beamer. He was revving, and that shit was popping loud as shit and stuff.
We're good to stay. We're good. We're good.
Okay.
Hey, Steven, are we good?
Yeah, we're good. I already talked.
Hey, shout out to Steven for communicating for 12. What's up, dude?
What's up? Did the cops say anything?
Oh, nah. He spoke to Steven. You know Steven? I don't know. Somebody who's coordinating the event. He said that we're good to stay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
Just coming up here to check.
yeah, pretty much. I know exactly what I'm finna do. I'm finna go hit this Infinity over here. Maybe like 3-4 good shots. But I'm finna go hit Chucho's car right now. You know it is. Yeah, nigga, what's the one? This motherfucker.
No, you want well, use up front, but yeah.
Do any of you guys drive this car?
Yeah, it's mine.
Oh, it's yours? What's in there?
K20A.
K28?
Yeah.
Any boost or anything?
Nah, it's an A. Yeah, it's an A.
That's dope, man. I love the color. The color's
Appreciate
fire
it.
as fuck.
Appreciate it. It's a Jeep Wrangler color, like rescue green or something like that.
Hey, that's what's up, man.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it, man.
Dope ass build you got.
Appreciate it. Two of those. Soda.
Pretty cool wheels on the Honda. I love big wheels, like 17s, 18s. I need that in my life.
I got 3 horsepower. 3 horsepower, I tell you.
Hell yeah, bro. Yo, boy, Moy. I've seen you before somewhere.
Ryland.
Yeah, you went to
I
his
was
shop.
over there,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hell
What's up,
yeah.
man? How you been?
still doing the photography, videography?
Hell yeah, man.
Hey, that's
I like your
what's up,
setup
bro.
you got going on.
Thank you, bro. I'm trying to get some B-roll and like vlog type
There you
stuff.
go, man.
Hell
Grind
yeah.
it out. Get it
What was
done.
your name again?
Joseph.
Joseph.
Yeah, what's your name?
Moises.
You drive one of those. What can I?
Moy.
Moy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've decided to
All
match
right,
this
see you
Joseph.
again, man.
Hell yeah, good to see you too.
If somebody
All
was like,
Joseph.
somebody was
We're going to work on this. The lighting here really isn't the best, but we're gonna try to do some work with the 50 mil. Pretty sure the aperture can open up. All right, y'all, so I just hit Chucho's car. We finna go to the second level from the top. there's way better lighting on the second level from the top. So we're gonna see if we can find some cool cars and get some dope shots. All red. Say what's up to the vlog, bro.
What's up, vlog?
Sucks, Dave.
Yeah, we about to see if we can find something in this lighting. This lighting is dope as fuck. I might hit this Corvette. I see some Miatas over there side by side. I'm finna hit that after. I know y'all seen that P whatever McLaren that just pulled up. I'm gonna go hit these Miatas real quick and we'll go back and see what's up. Alright y'all, so a motherfucking supercar just pulled up, so I'm finna go back up and get a shot of it because that red is killer. Hopefully the lighting ain't too bad though. I'm fucking with the lower levels a lot more. Yo, Chino is here? Yo, where the fuck is Chino? Chino! Chino, say what's up to the vlog, bro.
What's good? What's
up,
good,
bro?
everybody?
Hey, but it was good to see you. I'm gonna go check out that supercar up there.
Well, you vlogging with 2 cameras?
B-roll and vlog.
Nice. I didn't know you had 2 cameras.
What's up?
Doing it all.
Huh?
You said more doing it all today.
Yeah,
I'm
BCT.
finna walk with Moy and
Yeah, talk to me, George. How's tonight going?
pretty good. Have you already got a lot of coverage?
Yeah, hell yeah. I've been up and bottom, down up. What's up? Where's Squishy at?
At home.
She fake as hell for that.
Get this Honda. Big ass wing.
All the Hondas ganging up and
The Honda.
shit.
The Honda. Oh shit.
You didn't see that? Oh, yeah.
I think there's a McLaren up here.
Yeah, that's what I was just telling the vlog. Like, I gotta go back up.
There it is.
Oh shit. Damn, we got some good lighting too.
Yeah.
I'm finna hit this one off real quick. Do you see that blood?
Oh shit. What the fuck?
The McLaren's up here, so I'm finna get a couple shots. Let's see what we can do.
Oh, I just got a new mic today, Moy.
For real?
Yeah, it's
what kind?
It's a Rode mic, but it's the big one. My mom gave it to me.
For real?
She was like, I went to the we went to a yard sale today, and it was the big one.
For real?
It had the price and sticker on it. It was $100.
Yeah, they're
She got it
expensive.
for $3.
Bro,
Brand
what
new
the
in the
fuck?
box.
She went to a rich neighborhood, didn't she?
Is that so it like cancels out road noise or something?
It's one of these mics. The brand is called Rode.
What does it do?
It's just a mic that gives
Just
you better quality.
audio.
Yeah, better audio.
Yeah, bro, that's a steal.
I know, it's stupid
That's a steal.
That's 98% off.
Hell yeah. Especially like the long ones too.
Why the fuck did you buy it? Connor, you want to see how static I am?
Bro, I am fucking up right now. I need to record Chino's car, bro, and I'm about to do that shit right now. Warping on into the night. We're walking through the parking deck right now, just trying to see if anything new pulled up. I still gotta hit Chino's car, but we're gonna see. This 240 is nice. You wanna try it, George? You wanna try it? Oh, I can read this. I can read this. Akureru. Oh, it's Willis.
Is it 50 on here?
Yeah, 50. We got some bikers pulling up. How you feeling about the meeting so far? Chill?
Cops fucking came up, but they ain't say so.
baby daddy.
I'm his baby daddy, number 2.
And we about to get crazy.
We about to get
Crazy.
Take your pants off.
yo. Man,
We got cut. We got cut. Cut this out, boy. That's a Mercedes.
That's a Mercedes.
We out here getting lit.
Who got the sippy cup?
The exotic.
This is right here. This is the real watt right here.
Yep. Y'all still buying $20 bottles?
The fuck, this shit, we bought this shit for 10.
That's a big ass camera.
I think I got a big ass camera.
Let me see your big ass camera.
Man, get that piece of shit out of here, bro. Why you parking that shit next to my shit?
Oh, vlogception. Hey, shout out to Chino for manhandling the camera, creating dope
I'm
content.
about to manhandle him in a second.
It's not too bad, but he's dripping.
I saw it.
El Bendy.
Bro. What? What the fuck?
Playing the audio.
More? A little bit more? You good? You good? You ain't about to hit my shit. That shit clean too. These fuckboy wheels. Look at these fuckboy wheels. Oh, my bad, more. God damn, I got it more his way.
What? Nah, you good. I like all people walking here.
OBCT coming through. I came here separate because I was at Saul's crib. Yeah, it's his baby's birthday party and stuff.
You know what? Yeah.
The shot from over there is like too nice.
Filming a lot of B-roll. I want to give a big shout out to George for hosting this meet and also helping me get some dope footage. So I'm about to chill out a little bit and just use more of the vlog camera now. So let's just chill from here. It's pretty cool. Like, everybody moved down here. I'm glad they did because the lighting's way better out here. But I really want to go hit that blue board over there. Shit looks sick.
Yeah, see, you gangster. See, you gangster. I was afraid to go 18.
But I cut the shit out my finish.
Yeah, I was afraid to go 18s, man. They say 18s is pushing it, but I know we can run 18s.
Yeah. The only reason I'm able to clear him is because we're gonna 15 minutes late. If I didn't have that space.
Rilo just pulled up. We're finna go say what's up to Rilo and see what's up with the top deck. So let's see what's up. Yo, Project Garage. Where you been, bro?
In the crib.
We've been waiting for you, bro. What's up, yeah? Say what's up with the vlog, bro. Yeah. We finna walk back up to the top to see how clear it is, see if anybody's still up there. And I think I got here at like 8:30, 8:45. It's 11 now. Definitely died down. Other people have left. The top deck looks kind of empty. The Honda gang is still out here too. Honda gang, shout out to the Honda gang, you already know. Yeah, it's dummy quiet out here now. Larry's still here too. Red on red on red. It's pretty dead up here. Got a whole game of soccer, Division 1.
And then you give up on the car shit. Then you sell your car.
Hell yeah, guys. All around, pretty chill meet. Nothing too crazy. Someone did get stopped in the beginning for being stupid loud. Everybody gone. About to walk back down. Pretty sure we're gonna leave and go to Saul's house. There's a party going on right now, so.
You're not that guy. You're not that. Brought a post for us. Oh. We're gonna have to post that.
All around dope meet. Shout out to George for hosting this meet. Shit's lit. This was a really cool experience. Not only the actual car meet, but an experience for myself and learning about myself. And it's just crazy. Like this whole, you know, the whole idea of what I'm doing, this documentation. Hell yeah.
Boy, you got the vlog on? Oh, big old BCT shit, you already know.
Big old BBC shit.
You already know what the fuck going on. We on camera, dude. Oh shit. Why you trying to be shy about it though?